So next up now we're going to learn money because we just learned how to say how much. So the next natural thing to do is to learn how to say how much money if we buy something then. So money, that's how it's pronounced in English, and this is how it's pronounced in Chinese. Qian, qian. And all I really want to do now again is just sort of look at the character here, qian. We can break it down. It is quite easy actually. This left side is something very, very, very important. It's a building block, and there we see it. This building block now, means like metal. Or we can also call it gold. This is a bigger building block of the character Jinzi, which is the character for gold. Both the color of gold, like the golden color, and also the material of gold. But basically, every time something is built out of out of metal, as in a watch or like this, gold or money in this case, then we're going to see this little guy being involved. So let's just write that, and there's no pronunciation for it either. We'll just push that into the corner, and there's not more with that. But what's really important as well is this. I hope you remember this one. When we built up for I, or the character for me, or simply, then we started with this, and that gave this, and that gave this. I hope you are still keeping track of that. Now though, let's skip the what and let's keep on building even further. I think this is how it's usually pronounced. Yes it is. No it isn't. Yeah, I've actually searched, but I can't find it. That's because this character I'm looking for now is not very common. Therefore, I'll just take it from the. Hold on, I'll do like this first, and then I'll take it straight from my word list instead, because there I know we have it. It might be bad resolution now. No, probably not. Okay, so what's important here is this meant a little knife, this meant a bigger knife, and now this is like knife, but then what we see is as well is we see a little, just one more line. I'm trying to mark it out here. One more line through it. So what this means now is paper thin. And this can be translated then to, or this can easily be understood how it comes into being money. Because paper thin is the right part of this character. If we look at Qian now again, paper thin, and then plus metal. So metal plus paper thin. Oh, I think you understand that means money. It's the coins, or it's the bills that we have. So yes, that's how we can translate it. So it's good that you recognize this. It's good that you recognize that. And it's wonderful that you recognize this. Wonderful. So now just to build up the whole sentence, how much money? Let's say we say 多少, and then we finish it with, we can obviously say 多少 to anything, but if you want to say 多少钱, it specifically means how much money. 多少钱. So let's listen to Anne when she says it in a store now. This is such a wonderful little saying.
多少钱？6块5，谢谢。OK。